Welcome to another video from Play Simple Chords. In this video I want to talk about a series that I'm going to be doing, and it's called the Gospel Piano Video Series, and the subject is Gospel Piano Beyond Licks, Tricks, and Muscle Memory. And what I'm going to be presenting is some of what you just heard in the opening to this video, and that's how you can build a foundation for creative piano playing by understanding some of the harmonies and chord structures that are used that are beyond the standard diatonic chords of a major scale. So in the Foundations for Creativity, I'm going to be covering beyond the major scale and the use of diminished harmony, modal harmony, chord movement that goes beyond just the circle of fifths. You can move chords in a minor thirds or major thirds, and you'll get a totally different sound than just moving chords diatonically. And then there's also the concept of chord shapes, familiarizing yourself with the use of thirds, fourths, drop twos, and understanding some of the chord symmetry concepts that will help you build additional chords, and that'll come from an understanding of diminished chords and the use of tritones and how they are symmetrical. So in the example that I used in the opening, I took a standard 2-5-1 where we're going from a D minor 7, excuse me, not D minor, we're going from a minor 7 to a D to a G. So a standard 2-5-1 in G, 2-5-1. But if you took and you applied some diminished chord harmony, so you could take a standard 2-5-1 and apply some diminished concepts to it and get a different movement. So instead of just going A minor 7 to D7 to G, you could walk down from the diminished chord. So you would start with this, and then you would play this diminished movement. That would lead you to the 2, and then you'd play the 5, and then 1. So that's and basically you just took this diminished chord and you started with a drop 2 and just worked your way down to the minor chord. Then you just play this D chord and then to G. But that's just an introduction to some of the concepts that I'm going to be covering in this video. So I know this is short, but I hope you stay tuned, because I want to present these concepts in an orderly manner, and I'm trying to build the graphics and stuff to go with it. So if you're interested in going beyond licks, tricks, and muscle memory, and being able to develop some skills that will give you some freedom and help you to have foundations for creating your own sound, stick around. I'll be coming back with a new video shortly. Thanks. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Simple chords are the building blocks for making advanced chords. And I hope you find that these tutorials are helpful to you on your musical journey. Please like, subscribe, and share these tutorials with others who have a desire to learn how to play music on the piano. I look forward to sharing other tutorials